Hello everyone, it's Alexa here. Today I'm taking some time for a slow and mindful yoga session at home. Yoga is not just about movement, it's about connecting with your body, focusing on your breath, and finding balance. Practicing at home allows me to move with intention, taking each pose carefully and gracefully. I start with gentle stretches, easing into the practice and allowing my body to wake up naturally. Every movement is slow and controlled, helping me feel every stretch and release any built-up tension. Yoga at home gives me the space to listen to my body and move in a way that feels good. As I continue, I flow through poses that improve flexibility, strengthen my core, and bring a sense of calm. Each stretch is done with care, allowing me to fully embrace the moment. Yoga isn't about rushing, it's about patience, presence, and feeling connected to yourself. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more yoga sessions. See you soon and take care.